In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit card to Apple Watch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a debit card attributed to your iPhone, you can easily link it to an Apple Watch, and you can even use your watch to issue payments. So to do this, first ensure that the debit card is linked to the iPhone. If you haven't done this already, then you can skip ahead in the video because I'm going to show you how to do it later. But assuming that you already have the card good to go, start the process by opening the Watch application. So go into Watch, and under My Watch, you will find the Wallet and Pay category. So you will see all of the applications from the Watch, and you should look for Wallet and Apple Pay. Inside of this menu, you will be able to configure all of the cards that you have, so they will appear on the list here. You will have all of the cards linked, including your Apple Cash. If you would like to add a new one, all that you have to do is tap the Add Card option. This will allow you to pick from your Apple Wallet, or if you have never attributed a card here, you can choose to do so now. So you will have to input the card number, expiration date, and security code, and you might have to confirm some information about the card holder, like the name, country of residence, zip code, and so on. Alternatively, you can just open the Apple Wallet application manually, tap the plus sign at the top right, and then choose Debit or Credit Card. Follow the prompts on screen. You can use your camera to automatically scan the details or just enter them manually. Once again, the card number, expiration date, and security code. With all of the details input here, the card is going to go through a verification process. You might have to verify that you are the owner of the card as well, so choose one of the options like SMS, phone call, or by opening the bank app. And once the card is linked here, it means that it can be used within your Apple Watch. So now, by double tapping on the side button at any point, this will open the payment screen. You will see this message, hold near the card reader. You can scroll up and down to choose any of the cards available, and by physically placing your Apple Watch near a card reader, you can issue contactless payments. I hope I was able to help you on how to add debit card to Apple Watch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.